Uh, well, since you said talking shit, but got another great episode. Definitely be touched on the Chris Brown trial, which is we starting soon. I don't know if you y'all forgot. You know, he did pay a hefty bail, about what 7 to 10 million. He got out of jail over there. Hope they didn't think that once you pay bail, you know, the case disappeared. But but trial will be starting for him soon. And he is facing a hefty jail sentence. If any of y'all remember, it was mainly about him bailing out, was more for him to get back to the tour dates that he already had, had situated. But I mean, it's been a long tour. Tour's coming to an end, so it's time to finally go back to court. Uh, just keep your eyes on that. Definitely gonna be some, you know, fireworks coming behind that. Next topic is, of course, welcome home, Max B. Um, Already, I see the weirdos is already started. I already see Whack 100 loading up, get his brigade set up, the whole Max B snitching train. So I'm glad to see how that shit go. Because even like I said, you read the paperwork over 4 or 5 times, it all kind of still makes sense. Um, Even at the end of the day, honestly, I kind of believe the kind of record that Whack 100 got. He done definitely gave back some time in his day, and that's the question that everybody keeps saying. How did he get back the time? I mean, it's common sense. Um, the charges was trumped up crazily only because he was a celebrity, to be honest. Key reason why the female in it got less time and the guy who actually killed someone got all the time. He wasn't even there. If anything, he orchestrated it, as they say, and that's considered as a co-conspirator. So why would a co-conspirator get the same time as people that was actually in the facility that facilitated the crime? So if you know a little bit about getting, trial, I mean lawyer, I mean get the law, you'll understand a little bit more about it. That's why I was kind of surprised when they talk about he got all that time and it's like damn he wasn't even here. So that was definitely kind of crazy on that one. But it is what it is. And then just like they say, everybody's gonna have something to say about it because that's just the way this shit go. Everybody got something to say. I bet you a lot of the people have never been facing that much time. A lot of them ain't even really been up. But Whack 100, like I said, even disappointed with his his antics lately as far as everybody is telling us so on and so forth because I'm willing to say, some of his court proceedings probably look the same way. But a lot of times people gotta understand too why he feels so cocky and what they say. A lot of the shit that niggas be doing now, safety valves and weed for a day. Weed for a day was around back when he was getting booked. But safety valves wasn't heavy and neither was any of that sealed documents that was real light. They sealed documents that they mean you help. There was so many ways back in the dinosaur age to tell us and told them. So I guess that's what they go by, but there's a lot of ways now to prove it. There's people who beat cases because the date is wrong for it, or their name isn't spelled. So just do your homework and do diligence. Definitely thanks for chiming in on this little brief one. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like